Okay, well, a very good morning, good afternoon to you, or evening, wherever you are in the world today. The trading room here with me, Nick, and I hope you're fitting well. And I've just entered the pound dollar put, so it's going to be lower than 139.82. Almost 18 hours, and looking for a retracement here. The big news has been that Rex Tillerson has been fired, so that's made the dollar a little bit weaker. And against the pound, I'm saying that there will be a pullback and that it will be lower in 18 hours from now. It will be under 139.82. So you can see from the screen that we've just entered the trade, and we'll see how it plays out. The other currencies I've been watching are, just to give you an idea here, by the way, I like this because although it's a demo account, this one, the other one's a real account, okay. But this is the sorry, I swallowed the wrong way. This is a chart I like. I just use it for charting. It's very good visually. So on the daily, the pound looks like this. 4 hourly. Don't worry about these numbers down there. I'm just experimenting with some things. So, the hourly into the 15-minute. And during the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it's been going up. And I think we're trading that there's no great announcements. Just to show you that on here tomorrow regarding the pound, there's nothing in particular. Now I want to be out before the US data comes out because we got core retail, PPI, and retail sales, all three together there. So I don't want to be in, or certainly don't want to be in there just before the news announcement because we want to know what the numbers are. So back to this, I'll keep you updated. I might even make another video in about an hour or so to see how this is going. And we are actually 4 pips on the wrong side of the trade, but that's okay at the moment. From me, Nick, I'll say, as the time's running out in the video, wherever you are in the world, take good care, be good to each other, and thanks for watching.